Wow. That's magical.
What are you doing?
Wow. Hold on to this one.
You can't share?
Alright, I get it.
Zachary, give it back.
Can you give me cards, Dustin?
Zach, you're gonna make him sad.
7.
Zach, he's sad. Can you give it back to him?
Reminds me of Madagascar. Okay, you wanna play? Chunky?
He's sad. Do you want to give him back the present?
Everyone's got the new card, right?
Zach, you know I'm filming this, right? This can be used in a court of law. Zach, give him kisses. Are you the mean child?
So you have to 7 there? Yep. So you have 7 cards.
Can I try it? Can I try it?
You'll give it to older
Thank
people,
you.
but not the younger ones.
Did you put yours in, Doug? Yeah. Jen, you should deal yourself in. Yeah. Truck.
Give it to the baby. Give it to the baby.
Can Trent try? The cards on the table. Can Trent have it?
Oh, you're in for a rude awakening, child.